Assalamu alaikum. Here is our HTML template, and now first of all we open this project with live server. This is our application, and if we want to make this functional, our work we need to add JavaScript. So here our script file. So first of all we need to id or class name, first of all counter, second of all increment button and decrement button. So our counter is here our counter id, and here is increment button id, and here is decrement button id. So let's go to script file, and first of all we take counter document dot get element by id is counter, and get increment element document dot increment, here increment constant decrement element. First of all we capture the text, second of all we declare a variable let count count by defining 0. And now we add some event listener, some means 2 event listener. So document increment element dot add event listener, click, and function using arrow function, and increment decrement dot event listener, and here is decrement count dot minus. Done. But our file is not working. But if we inspect this and see counts count is 1, if we increment that, count 2, decrement count 1. So our count is working, but our visualization is not working. So if we want to visualize this count, our next work will be counter dot inner text is count, will be count, and counter also bas. Done. Now our increment and decrement will working. Now if we want to copy this, so we have to copy all of this code from here to here. Copy, paste. Yes, but here is not working. So counter 2, increment 2, decrement also 2. Our IDs, and here all of this is will duplicate and we here counter count and element also this is not time end. So we that's great and here 2. Done. Now our second application also working, but this is too much difficult and our code reliability is also much complicated. That's why we use this template by a React project, and we will see how React is helping our coding, helping our structure. So we here is npx create react app a counter done. Our application is getting our React project is completed, and now we cd counter and run it. Is yarn is start. Yes, it is running on localhost 3000, has successfully compiled, and now we will convert this counter application in React project and see how it will help us. First of all of this delete and save as this is our warning is gone. Then we use this code here from this here, but our style is not working because we used tailwind css, so we have to add cdn. So we have to add this cdn into our public index file. So and save. But here is working, this is working, and simple. If we copy hot here working, but here is not working. Why? If we but oh, here is same line, so we remove this line, remove this div, and here is our application, but it will not work. Oh, we use another components slash counter dot JSX, yes, and import React from React. Export default function counter, say oh yeah. Return yes, it will work fine. Now we implement the functionality. How can we implement this? First of all, we take a state count set count set count 0, use state here is our count and set count. We declare two functions, constant increment previous value. sorry, set count previous value, then pre-value plus constant decrement set count previous value minus minus. And now we will use this on click increment and here on click decrement. Set previous value plus minus sorry previous value plus count previous value how can we use this previous value It's not working on. How can we fix this? Oh, sorry. We are here is problem. Now we can try it. Yes, it's working. So it's simplify. We will simplify this. Wait. Yes. Now it's working properly. Now if we copy this, counter, so what can we do with this? How can we work this? We simply copy this each of this increment or counter application is separate state. So if we decrement from this, not decrement from other counters. So that's all from this.